So this home is available now in Raeford's Riverbrooke community, 438 Roanoke Drive. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a backyard built for entertainment. So let's take a look inside. So inside you got a full 2-car garage, brick accents, and a covered front porch. That's classic craftsman style, gives it a lot of curb appeal. It sits on nearly a quarter of an acre lot in a quiet established neighborhood. So inside it's an open floor plan, the kind of layout that keeps everyone connected, whether you're cooking, hosting, or just winding down. And you can switch between indoors and outdoors because the back patio has a fire pit and all of these other things. So you can step out back and you got a fully fenced yard, a covered patio, and a fire pit ready for cookouts or quiet evenings, or just letting kids get out and roam while you sit down and have a glass of wine or chill in front of the fire pit. Just imagine it, right? So yeah, this property is available right now. Check the description for any information. I hope you enjoy this tour, and thank you, and see you on the next one.